Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you where the battery is located for the Jabra Rox wireless headset. I've had this unit for a couple of years now and it's definitely not charging. The red indicator light goes on, but I've left it running for a couple of hours, then disconnected the power cable and it still hasn't worked. I've contacted the Jabra support and it's out of warranty, so they can't really do much. I've also asked them whether I can replace the battery and they said that it's not possible. So I wanted to check to see how easy it is to replace the battery. So in this video I'm just going to show you where it's located. It's pretty difficult, as you can see. At the moment I'm trying to pry open the left hand side of the earpiece. There's a little gap in between the rubber piece and the plastic piece of the earpiece, so I've tried using that to pry it open, and as you can see it's either glued on or it's sealed really well. You have to use a little bit of a brute force. Now if you try to charge this unit and if you connect it to your computer and it picks up the device, it means that there's power going to it, but the battery is definitely not working if it's not charging when it's by itself without the power cable or without the cable that's going to your laptop. So I thought I'd try a different screwdriver, something that's a little bit thicker, and as you can see it's sealed pretty well. Okay, so I managed to opening it up. There's a bit of electrical components in there. So on the left hand side, the battery is not located there. That means the battery is located on the right hand side of the earpiece. So if you're looking at replacing the battery, then use the right hand side, it's there. I did the same thing. I'm just prying it open again, just using a bit of brute force. Eventually it'll come off. I've used the same technique, just used a little gap between the rubber and the plastic, and there you go. As you can see, that's where the battery is located. So now I'm just trying to figure out, can I put it all back together? And it's a definitely no-go zone. There's no way, once you've opened it up, it's very difficult to seal it back together. You might have to just use a bit of glue. But yeah, once it's opened, there's no return. Okay, so hopefully this video has helped those of you who wanna figure out how to replace the battery. Okay, thank you.